Sean Hayes of the Hayes Hometown team at Coldwell Banker Premier here. This is another video in our informative how-to series. Today we're joined by Amy Bratton of Integrity Land Title. Amy, thank you for joining us today.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Amy, clients have a lot of questions about the different processes in real estate, and one of those is the title company. What is title insurance? Let's start there.
There are two types of title insurance. We have an owner's policy as well as a lender's policy. With the owner's policy, it allows you to be protected and have your property protected against anyone coming and trying to lay claim to that property after you've closed. With that, a lender's policy protects just the lender. And it's very important that you as the owner are protected because the lender's policy does not protect the owner in any way, shape, or form.
Amy, why should we get title insurance?
Well, with title insurance, it's only a one-time premium that you pay at closing, and it's going to protect you and your heirs from any defects or someone trying to claim the property later after you've already closed on the property.
What if somebody does come back, as you mentioned, after closing and does try to lay claim to the property I purchase?
The good thing is that you have title insurance. So what will happen is the title company will fight on your behalf to make sure that your rights are protected against anyone trying to claim that property. You will they'll either clear it up on their own with whoever's trying to claim the property, or they will pay you as the insured for any losses that you incur over the property being claimed by somebody else.
Obviously, title insurance is a very, very important part of the purchasing and selling process. When I'm choosing a title company, what kind of questions should I ask?
Well, first of all, you want to know how long the company has been in business. It's very important that you work with a reputable company that has an excellent reputation for doing great work in the St. Louis area with title. You also want to make sure that their service is second to none. You're going to be an intricate part of the purchase process, and you're going to be working hand in hand with that title company throughout the closing process. And when you go ahead and do close that property, you're going to be sitting down with someone from that title office, and you want to feel comfortable. You also want to make sure that they have an excellent underwriter, because the underwriter is really what provides the stability for the title company to make sure that you're well protected.
Amy, why don't you tell us a bit about Integrity Land Title?
Well, we've been in business since 1999, and we have 15 locations throughout the Midwest area. We have many locations right here in the St. Louis metropolitan area, as well as in Lake Ozark and in Kansas City.
Amy, we really appreciate all this great information you've given us today. If those folks out there have questions about title insurance or want to speak with you about obtaining title insurance, what's the best way for them to get a hold of you?
The best way would be to call our office directly, and they can reach us at 314-291-8102.
Amy, we really appreciate your time today. It was a bunch of great information you gave us. And guys, as always, if you have questions about the St. Louis real estate market, please give me a call at 314-591-6808.